Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Everything page in ZeuZ for project management. From the project menu, click on Everything. The Everything page combines a wide range of information related to project management. It contains items such as requirements, tasks, bugs, documents, and more. You can filter the data in different ways, such as by user, milestone, feature, status, priority, and more. After applying the filters you want, you can save them as a preset. Once you've saved a preset, it will appear here. If you click on a preset, the data will be filtered automatically, allowing you to quickly view the specific information you need. You can also switch between and or conditions when applying filters. After filtering the data, you may want to customize the table instead of displaying every column. You can change the visible columns. For example, if I don't want to see the status column, I can remove it from the table. If I don't want to see the assignee column, I can remove that as well. I can also hide older tickets. For example, I can hide tickets older than 6 months. I can choose to display additional columns, such as agentic status or feature status. This is how you can filter, customize, and manage all of your project information from the Everything page. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next ZeuZ tutorial.